Hi everyone, the purpose of this video is to show you how to set up a title page and then the rest of your document using APA style to make sure that everything's in the correct format. Before we get started, one thing that's really helpful is to have this formatting key selected, and what this does is it shows the format symbols that are generally hidden. So this is the paragraph symbol. Every time I make a new paragraph, it shows up. The spaces show up as dots, and then tabs show up as arrows, or indents is another word for tabs. So this is really useful because APA format is very, very precise, so you want to make sure that all of your formatting is done precisely as well, and being able to visually see each space will help with that. Now the first thing we want to do is make sure that each page is going to be set up correctly. So what we want to do is make sure that we have everything everything should be double spaced, so 2 line spaces. The margins should be 1-inch margins all around. I know sometimes the default will be to have 1 1/4 inch on the left and right, but we want 1 inch all around. And then the font as well, it should be some standard font, generally Times New Roman, and size 12. So that'll be common across your entire paper. Now to set up the title page, first we're going to make the title, our name, and our institution. So we can hit return a few times. We want to center ourselves and then make a title. Below the title, write your name and then your affiliation. Now a good title should be no more than 10 or 12 words. It should be descriptive enough where it'll give the reader a broad sense of what the paper is going to be discussing. It shouldn't be super long, shouldn't be only 3 words, so you want somewhere in between. Now the next thing we're going to set up is the running head. And the running header is what's going to appear throughout the entire paper. So now to do that, you can double click up here. The other way to do that is if you go into Insert, and we can insert a header up here. But before we do that, we're going to insert the page number. So page number, top of the page, all the way to the right. Once we've done that, we can work with the running header. So running head, colon, space, and then this is going to be the first few words of your paper in all capital letters. And generally this shouldn't be more than 50 characters, but just the first few words is fine. Now you can hit the tab button and it should move your running head over here. If it doesn't